So the Nothing Ear 3 is finally here, and it's already creating a buzz in 2025, promising to take the transparent design trend to a whole new level while packing serious tech upgrades that might just make it one of the best earbuds of the year. Starting with that iconic clear look that has now become Nothing's signature style but refined with a more durable transparent polymer that feels premium yet light. And yes, they still manage to catch attention every time you pop them in. But it's not just about looks anymore because Nothing has focused big on sound this time, with larger dynamic drivers tuned by teenage engineering to deliver deeper bass, cleaner mids, and surprisingly open highs that make both pop and classical tracks sound vivid and natural. Plus the Ear 3 adds adaptive sound optimization that adjusts frequencies based on your ear shape and listening environment in real time, meaning you always get that perfect mix whether you're in a quiet room or walking downtown. Now let's talk ANC because Nothing claims it's their most powerful yet with up to 45 decibels of noise cancellation, which is actually competing with the AirPods Pro 2 and Sony WF-1000XM5, and early testers say it's shockingly effective for plain noise and chatter. And transparency mode feels more natural thanks to an upgraded 3-mic system. Call quality also gets a big boost, with new AI-based noise suppression that filters wind and traffic while keeping your voice crisp and clear. A major win for commuters and creators. The battery life now stretches to 8 hours on a single charge and up to 40 hours with the case. And yes, the case still rocks that transparent aesthetic with wireless charging and a faster USB-C port. Plus Nothing finally added dual-device connectivity so you can jump between your phone and laptop instantly, something users begged for since the first Ear 1. And gamers will love the ultra-low latency mode that pairs perfectly with the Nothing Phone 2 or any Android flagship. But even iPhone users get seamless pairing with a new companion app that works smoother than ever, offering detailed EQ controls and firmware updates. What's wild is the price. Nothing kept it at just $149 USD, undercutting Apple, Samsung, and Sony while still delivering premium sound and design, and that makes the Ear 3 a seriously tempting buy in 2025, especially if you love something that looks futuristic but doesn't break the bank. Plus there's a new eco-friendly twist. Nothing now uses recycled aluminum and bioplastic packaging, cutting down carbon footprint while keeping the unboxing experience sleek and minimal. So is this the best transparent earbud ever? Well, it might be, because Nothing has nailed that balance of style, sound, and affordability that most brands struggle to hit. The Ear 3 feels like the product where Nothing truly comes into its own, evolving from a niche aesthetic brand to a serious competitor in the audio world. And if you're into tech that stands out visually but also delivers real performance, this might be your next favorite daily earbud. So before you spend big on AirPods Pro 3 or Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, maybe give the Nothing Ear 3 a listen. It could surprise you. Stay tuned because we'll have a full real-world test soon to see how they actually stack up against the competition. But for now, one thing's clear. The transparent revolution is far from over, and Nothing just proved it can lead that movement into 2025 and beyond.